Have you ever struggled with getting the perfect fit on sleeves? In this video, I'm going to show you how to correct your pattern to reduce or add ease, specifically to the sleeve cap area. If you're wondering about what sleeve cap ease is, you might want to go check out my other video where I explain what it is and how to measure it. So all of these topics come directly from my Mastering Garment Ease online course, and I thought it would be helpful to share it with you. What is the best way to adjust the sleeve cap according to my body? This is a wonderful question. So the best way to do this when you have a fitting sample would be to open up the armhole seam wherever it feels tight or pin wherever it feels too loose. Make sure that you're moving after you pin or moving after you've opened the seam. Now, usually I use some tape and pins when I open the seam. That allows the distance, the gap for it to open. So how do you know whether or not you should be adjusting it? Usually you would have some sort of drag lines pointing up toward the area that's too tight. And if it's pointing up, that's an indication that you need more cap height. If it's pointing toward the forward shoulder, it's an indication that you need more curvature on the forward shoulder. If you have too much and you can pin it out and still comfortably move, that means you could reduce that area. So if the sleeve cap height or width is too small, you need to open up those areas and add to the sleeve. That means you need more ease in that area. If you've pinned in any section, either the height or the width, that means you need to take off in that area. So in this image, you can see that the cap height is just too short, specifically in the forward shoulder tip area. So I've placed a pin to indicate that I want to open that up. And then once I determine the amount I want to open, I adjust the pattern. You can see in the back of this shirt that I've pinned out the back of the cap width, and the pattern correction then removes that amount in that area that I've pinned to reduce that shaping there. One thing that's really important to remember is that that sleeve, whatever adjustments you make, it needs to fit back into the armhole. So make sure you're always measuring that sleeve and armhole and making sure you're okay with that with the amount of ease you want. Now, when you are doing knit garments, for example, this garment, it has 0 ease in the sleeve. So we want to have an exact armhole to sleeve measurement on knit garments. The reason for this is that the stretch of the fabric stretches over the shoulder tip where it needs the curvature. So there's just not a need for ease in that area. As well, knits are very difficult to ease in because the knit density is usually quite tight. I want to share with you some of the pattern corrections that you can do that adjust the sleeve cap width and the cap height. So we can see that original pattern shape is very symmetrical from the front to the back, and my final pattern for myself is very different. So you can see here, it was really tight for me in the front area. So I opened my garment in that front area. I added to that cap shaping. Now in the back, I had a little bit of extra in the back area here. So I pinned my garment and I took it off of the cap width. Just a reminder, always make sure that you measure that final sleeve measurement, consider the ease amount that you want, and make sure that it fits back into that armhole. You can use the free calculator worksheet that you can find and download through the link in the description. This is the sleeve cap ease amount worksheet. You can utilize this form for either inches or centimeters. I'm Gina Renee, and I absolutely love teaching online courses about pattern making so that you can design and create clothes you love that fit. If you found this information helpful and want to take it even further, I have a free webinar all about mastering garment ease, and I would love to see you there. Click the link in the description to register for that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.